When it comes to a membrane drainage system, if it's even a membrane drainage system like this one, you still handle and you still install and you still water manage in the same manner, just with that company's products. Because again, that company did their testing, and they know all their products are compatible and they work at a very high level. So I'm kind of a systems guy. We're not going to tell you what products to use. We're going to tell you that there's products out there. They test them out. Follow those manufacturers' recommendations also, because each and every one has their own way of installing their products. So all the tapes, all the flashing tapes, all the panning systems out there, you need to follow those manufacturers' recommendations also, including the sealant and the sealant schedules. So I just wanted to touch on that a little bit because again, I know there's so many of them out there. Just make sure that everything's compatible when it comes to all your substrates, including the window.